Little Bonnet Lake. Little Bonnet Lake in Highlands County, Florida, is about 1,000 ft 305 m west of Lake Letta and about twice as far south of Lake Lotla. This lake is bounded on the southwest by a rail line and on the southeast and part of the north side by citrus groves. Woods are on the east, part of the west and part of the north. A golf course borders Little Bonnet Lake on the northwest. On the lake's northeast shore is a public boat ramp that is reached by going through the area's golf course. A canal allows boats to travel east to Lake Letta, and by a series of canals, a number of area lakes may be accessed from Little Bonnet Lake. There are no public swimming beaches, but fishing is allowed. The Bullet.com website says the lake contains blue catfish, gar and bowfin. References